One of the most popular gardening trends is the vertical garden. It don't just look really beautiful, it is also so popular because it provide a lot of environmental benefits and can help you save some money. We are here to tell you advantages of vertical gardening. So let's start. Keep you cool. When you are bundling a vertical garden, you build it against the wall that faces the sun. You can create a layer of insulation. It will not only keep the heat out, but it will also lower the temperature in your home. There have been multiple studies have shown that the place where is the vertical garden, it can be up to 10 degrees colder, because it will absorb all the heat and slow down the air movement. Because the inside of your home will be cooler, it will reduce the cost of cooling, improve the air quality. Vertical gardens aren't the only space-saving, sustainable additions to our world. They also act as natural air filters that will help make the environment and air quality cleaner. That is because the plants will take the carbon dioxide out of the air around it and turn it to oxygen. Wherever vertical gardens are in a place, they will metabolize harmful toxins like benzene, trichloroethylene, carbon monoxide, formaldehyde. Reduce your carbon footprint. Another really important thing that you will accomplish by having a vertical garden, it will help the environment by minimizing the carbon footprint that you are leaving. That is because you are not going somewhere by car or bus to get the products, and you will getting from your own garden. Vertical gardens will also reduce the carbon footprint because they will offset the emissions by sponsoring the carbon dioxide. It is also great because it cleans the air of dust and other bad things. They can grow produce. There is nothing better and more feeling than being able to not only grow your own vegetables, but also eat them. Growing your own vegetable and fruit can help you save money, but it will also make you much healthier. Depending on where you will be able to put your vertical gardens, you will pick the things you can grow. You will not need a lot of things. But if you want to take it a step further, you can also get hydroponic farming. That will make the whole growing and planting process much easier. It can help you save your space. Nowadays, not a lot of people have a place where they can have an outdoor garden. That is why, when you are living in an apartment or a house, and you doesn't have enough outside space for a garden, you can have a vertical garden. Vertical garden is one of the best ways to have a garden in limited space, because they can hang over each other. All you need to do is make sure that every plant gets equal and enough sunlight. Vertical gardens can act as living room dividers. Another great use for a vertical garden is to make it into a living room divider. If you are living in a smaller space and you might want to divide your space, there is nothing better than an attractive room divider. Just make sure that it has neighborhood sunlight where you put it. It gives aesthetic visual appeal. If you are someone who enjoys the look of ivy walls, but you live in an apartment, then vertical gardens are the best way to transform your empty walls into something that is aesthetically pleasing along with its amazing benefits. You can make a green wall or a hanging basket. No matter what you choose, it will be great on the visualization. There is nothing more beautiful than having plants enlivening up your place. Saving of water. Sack gardening is a simple way to integrate vertical gardening, especially if you have limited space. The sack has strategically placed holes where seedlings are planted in traditional soil. The sack is watered with little water waste. So, growing plants vertically even in compact spaces like windowsills, balconies, front entrances and hanging garden space will make a big difference to your health. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share the video. For more informative video, subscribe our channel. Press bell icon for latest video alert.